Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anna and I'm a random stranger on the internet talking to you about beauty. A bit of a different unboxing today. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Amazon box that you get when you register for your baby registry. So I know I don't do a lot of hauls on this channel, but this one was like kind of free and I'll get into that. So in order to get this box, you have to be an Amazon Prime member, which I am because, hello, how else are you supposed to shop? B, you have to make your registry, and then there's like a little section that you have to check off something in every box. So basically there's all these different categories that you're supposed to register for. And you have to say that, like, you don't have to register for an item in every category, but you have to go through and click it. And then 3, someone or yourself has to make a purchase on your registry that is more than $10. That was easy for me. I've been buying a lot of stuff for the nursery. So I just went in there and I was like, okay, added it to the registry and then bought something I was already gonna buy. And then you get this little box. And if you guys are interested, I just wanted to show you what's in there. I just untaped it, but I haven't done like anything else. I haven't really opened it. Also, if I get out of breath, that's just normal. That's what I do now. I'm out of breath all the time. Excuse me. I'm also burpy and gassy all the time because I am the sexiest pregnant lady, right? The sexiest of little mamas. I'm not little, I'm giant. And my dogs are barking too. So there you go. All right. So it comes with some paper. And then there's a little note that says, we hope you enjoy this special delivery, compliments of Amazon Baby Registry. And then it says, love your welcome box, and it tells you how to buy all the stuff. Because you know what Amazon's going to be good at? Telling you how to buy things. All right. So, first thing in here, this is the 7th generation free and clear wipes that are fragrance free. Now this is one of those little packets. I actually love getting these kind of things, and the reason being, I'm a first-time mom, and the most frustrating thing for me for cleaning a registry is I keep reading reviews and stuff like that because I want to be really wise with what we get, and I don't want a whole bunch of crap in the house. And everybody keeps telling me, oh, every baby is different. Babies like different things, their skin reacts to different things, so I'm like, oh, it's not like you can just pick the best and then go from it. I've actually got to wait for this person to be born and then find out what they like. So these are like this is 10 wipes. I'll probably throw it in my diaper bag and, you know, see how the baby does with it. So some wipes, that little piece of paper. Oh, I think this is the onesie. Now this is still cute. This is still really cute. I was just kind of in love with the onesie that I saw other people getting, which is kind of a hard thing with, you know, watching these little boxings. This is from the Moon and Back from Hannah Anderson, a beautifully crafted collection. Oh, it's a bodysuit made with organically grown cotton. How cool is that? You guys can see. Isn't that cute? It's actually really sweet, and it is, I think this is 0 to 3 months. It is really soft. And I really like the fact that it's organic cotton. And it'll be gender neutral. So, bright colors, which I love. I love bright colors on babies. So that's really cute. I like that. There's a sample of Deft, like a laundry packet thing, which is good because this like special baby detergent, I didn't even know that was a thing, and then I saw it was a thing and I had to call my mom and I was like, Mom, do I need like special baby laundry stuff to do the baby's clothes in? Essentially yes, because newborns have very sensitive skin and you want to clean all their stuff in hypoallergenic laundry detergent until you know if they have sensitive skin or not. So a big old sample of that, which is nice. This is I would call it a travel size if it was an adult. That's never gonna focus. Anyway, this is the Cetaphil Baby Wash and Shampoo, Face and Body. It has a very light fragrance, so that's good. Tear-free, hypoallergenic, so that's really nice. I will probably try that. I might give it to my mother-in-law too for when she's watching the baby. And then again, a travel size right there. This is the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. And it's got one of those little caps on it, but I tend to love Aveeno for myself. I think they make a great product. So we've got that. And this I think is supposed to be something. It's just a blank card by Pipettes. Let's see if I can find what it is. Oh, I think it's down here. Oh, it is another sample of baby lotion. Let's see, Pipette, I think it was supposed to be like this. Dermatology tested, hypoallergenic, scent free. So just another baby sample set. And like I said, normally I'm not a big fan of like these type of samples, but since I don't know what the baby will react to or not react to, it's nice to have the smaller sizes without investing money in a big thing. So, okay. This is from Avent, and this is, oh, disposable breast pads, which will be good. I will probably throw those in my hospital bag, like my hospital packing bag. So, like that. Oh, there's another little pipette sample. This is for the shampoo. Okay, baby shampoo and wash. So they send you the baby shampoo and wash and then the lotion. That's really sweet. And then, oh, these are cute. This is 7th generation free and clear diapers, size 1. And it looks like, and they send you 4 diapers. And I wish I could get the pattern to show up. Let me see if I can. You can see it a little bit. Let me see. There you go. Isn't that really cute? We're planning on cloth diapering right now, but I don't plan on cloth diapering until after the newborn stage. So, and there's always times even when you're cloth diapering that it's good to have disposable diapers with you because not everybody is going to be familiar with cloth diapers. So again, because I don't know what the baby's going to like, it's nice to have those. And 4 is like a good number to try. All right, and then this is another thing from Avent. It looks like a bottle. Loud noise, loud noise, loud noise. Yes, this is an Advent bottle. Philips Avent must be really good at giving these out. This is the 3rd or 4th bottle I have gotten. I think it's the 3rd bottle I've gotten from this company for trying out with the baby. And apparently babies are actually also quite picky about the bottles that they use. So instead of registering for a big kit, I've just been registering for a couple from the big major brands. And I actually took the Philips Advent off my registry because I already have 3 or 4 of them to try out. So if the baby likes them, cool, I'll already have 3 or 4 and then I'll just go from there. Now that, speaking of which, I got another one. They actually came with 2. I have 2. So now I have a set of 4. I'm gonna end up with like a whole set of these, like a set of 8. Watch the baby not even like them. But yeah, so I got 2 bottles in there. I don't know if that was supposed to come with 2, but I will take it. And then the last thing in there is this right here. And this is the Amazing Baby Muslin Swaddle. Stroller cover, receiving blanket, burp cloth, all sorts of things. And it looks like it's in a really cute little print. So I'll open it up so you guys can see it a little bit better. Oh, and there's a coupon, 50% off with the promo code. So if I like it, I'll go ahead and buy another one. But these are big. Like, look how big this is. And this is still folded in half. So I think these, they have like little baby zebras on it. So I think this is a pretty good little box. I really do. Just to recap, we've got this like muslin cute receiving blanket, a pack of 4 diapers, 2 bottles. You're gonna see me like huff and puff as I toss these in here. An adorable organic cotton onesie in 0 to 3 months. Packet of wipes. And then a packet of disposable breast pads, a sample of baby detergent, and then a handful of, dropping things, and then a handful of like little skin sample things, which again, since baby skin are so different and separate, I'm glad to like have these. So yeah, that's what I got in the Amazon Baby Registry welcome box. If you guys are interested in more baby content, I usually do beauty, but I've obviously, with the expansion, been expanding my content. So if you're also interested in baby stuff, just keep following me. Thanks so much, you guys. Go into the world, be fabulous, be you. Bye.